And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 websites that anyone can actually start using to make money today from the comfort of their home. But before then, my name is Collins King, and what I do on this channel is I go source out great ways on how anyone can make money online, entrepreneurship, side hustle. I vet this updates out, I do the research, do the heavy lifting, and then I bring the end product back to my viewers so we all can make money together. Now, your only thank you gift to me is to kindly subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And also give this video a thumbs up if you did gain any sort of value. Now, without wasting much time, let's actually get started with this. Okay, so the first website is actually called superpaid.me, alright, where you can make money online and you can get paid for surveys. So everyone has an opinion, smart people get paid for it. Cash out instantly from as little as $1. So the good thing is this platform doesn't even have like a max threshold where some other survey sites will tell you once you're able to make like $5, $10, only then would you be able to cash out. No, in this or on this platform you can be able to cash out from as little as $1. Now, how does this work and how can you actually start making money from this? You can actually make extra money online by completing quick surveys, offer trials, games, videos, and more. And they work with top legitimate surveys company, and they also have fast payment services like this where you can get paid the same day thanks to their 8-hour payment promise, right? You can cash out via PayPal for as little as $1, or use alternatively one of their other payment methods, which is like Amazon, Wise, Skrill, and if you're in Nigeria, Wise or Skrill works in Nigeria, even PayPal. And I'll suggest you do your own research as well. So what are some of the top benefits you gain or you get for working with this platform? It's free to join, and once you sign up, you get like a sign up bonus of like $1. And they also have like this regular $1,000 cash contest, which you can potentially win. And here you can see it said they've paid out $6.7 million of cash to the people doing the surveys or taking out the surveys. And here are some of their reviews. You can see independent service rating based on blah blah blah. You can see great service site, the best service site, easy to earn, trusted customers. You can just come on this website basically and go through the websites yourself, do your own research. Now my job is basically to bring these websites to you. I'll suggest you do your own research. Okay, so this is the first website, and the second website is actually called Survey Time, where you get instantly rewarded for every survey you make or you complete. Now, how does Survey Time work? Survey Time works very easy. All you just simply have to do is sign up for Survey Time, and it's free of charge. And you can then introduce yourself by taking this short introductory survey. Afterwards, you can simply start earning cash from surveys after you complete each and every of these surveys. And also, I think their payment method is like PayPal. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, I think it's PayPal. And here are some of the benefits you gain for working with this platform. So you can see low withdrawal threshold. There's always surveys for you. They'll always alert you as well once there's a new survey, and there's always surveys for you, and there's like bonus rebates. So what this means is if you have anywhere from like $10, $15, $20 in your account and you want to withdraw your account, they'll always reward you with like a 50 cents or 50 cents here reward. They'll give you a 50-cent reward. Survey Time is global and you can always choose your reward. So they have PayPal, they have Amazon, and they also dish out cash in Target, like using Target's gift card basically. So yeah, I'll suggest you come on here as well, do your own research before engaging with the platform. And always remember, guys, while doing the surveys, do also not give out sensitive information. Do not sell your information for money, for $10, $5. No, don't do that. You can only give out information that you feel doesn't have any sort of meaning to you. Stuff like that they can also use to improve their brands and their services and all these good stuffs. Okay, now the third website is called offernation.com, where you can complete online surveys for money. So making money by sharing your opinion with legitimate paid survey sites. And this survey site as well is just like the first one, where you can withdraw as quickly as possible. You can see once you get paid, right? You don't have to wait to reach a certain threshold to make your withdrawal before you get paid. And they also have some sort of like offer, bonuses once you join, right? So you get paid $1 once you join as a bonus. So you can see here they said they have paid out $1.9 million to like their members. And yeah, basically that's how it works. And here are some of the companies that they partner with, you can see. And yeah, I even saw something right now that I'm going to show you guys. You can see this person just said this Sunny 23 just earned 0.18 cents with this company, which is like one of the top companies that you are going to be doing or taking surveys under, basically, so they can be able to improve their products. You can see this person said just earned 21 points with offer point blah blah blah. This person just earned 18 cents as well, stuffs like that. So I'll suggest you guys come on here, do your own research if this is something you're comfortable with before engaging with this platform. And they also have like a lot of questions that you might want to be asking. So you can see, is it free to access paid service? How do you access paid service? All these kind of questions, they already have the answers here, and all you just have to do is come on here and do your own research before signing up with this platform. But it's very easy. All you just have to do, if you want to sign up, you can see where it says join today, or if you already have an account, you log in, stuffs like that. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's video, and if you did gain any sort of value, do well to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up so we can push it out to as much people as possible. Also, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And always remember, guys, do not sell your information for money. Do not sell your sensitive information for money. Do well to give out only information that you are comfortable with, okay, while engaging with this platform. Now, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Be well, be safe, and I'm out.